case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a stirring legal case rooted in a tale of abuse and retaliation, Janniss Varner was convicted of assault with the intent to commit murder. Details unraveled that Varner, a victim of continual abuse, had hired someone to attempt to kill her aggressive boyfriend. In the court proceedings, the key evidence against Varner was her private journals. Vivid accounts of the domestic violence she was subjected to, her bold lack of remorse, and chilling confessions of her desire to potentially terminate her tormentor's life. The journals, painting a picture of personal turmoil, were also speckled with spiritual reflections and critiques of organized religion. Varner contested that her actions were motivated by self-defense and provocation. She also sought to assert the protection of her First and 14th Amendment rights, alleging that they were violated by the court's admission of her private journal entries. To support her arguments, Varner sought to offer expert testimony on the battered women's syndrome and to argue the provocation, but the court decided otherwise. The court ruled against Varner's protests, asserting that her right to present a defense is subject to reasonable restrictions that do not infringe upon other legitimate interests in the criminal trial process. The trial court also dismissed Varner's objections to Michigan's clergy-penitent evidentiary privilege. Interestingly, the court's perspective hinged on the premise that the privilege is designed to facilitate the quest for spiritual guidance, and not to shield communications of the nature Varner brought forth. Ultimately, the legal battle reached the United States Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit in 2007. But it lacked an alternate ending as the court affirmed the decision of the lower Michigan court. Varner's claims were rejected, though not without leaving enduring questions about the complex overlap of abuse, self-defense, and constitutional rights.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.